So, hi, Maker's Corner here again. Thought I'd just give a little bit of a overview of Arduino and Arduino Shield concept. So, okay, so here's a basic Arduino Uno, classical, original. And what you can see is we have these pins here with the digital inputs and outputs and analog inputs, and goes with the modulation pins and other things. And what you can do is that you can plug in a shield on top of it, and here's, for example, a LoRa radio that you can plug in. And as you see here, it has the pins on the other side. So basically what one does is the one just plugs these two together in such a way so that the pins align, and one pushes it in. And there are very many different shields. For example, here's another one. That's for building prototypes. Now the key message that I want to communicate now is that this concept is also expanded with compatibility to the Arduino Mega. Here's an Arduino Mega original, and you can also get some shields for that. Not that I've seen that many that are dedicated for the Mega, but let's see, it goes this way around. For example, you can have a prototyping shield that you can put on top of this insert on the Mega. But the main interesting thing is that what you can do is that the Mega pinout is compatible with Arduino Uno. So if I put the Arduino Uno back, and this pinout and this pinout is identical with this on this side, and the Arduino Uno hasn't got this. So what you can do is that you can take a shield which is for an Arduino Uno and plug it in. And there are some caveats when it comes to certain types of boards where certain connection things don't work. Now, let's see if I take that one. This one goes on there like that, and then you can see that this has this connector, and then of course this won't work on here. So there are some shields that can't be plugged into the Mega, but if one has built something oneself, and this is the key, then on a prototyping shield, then one can actually move it over. And if one adjusts the pin usage for SPI, just make sure that one double controls the pins used for pulse width modulation and SPI, then one should be okay by moving over the shield as is prototype. So that was my message. So one doesn't have to completely redo the prototyping shield. Maybe just some slight adjustments, because the what often happens is that one runs out. One starts with the Uno and then kind of runs into either performance limitations or memory limitations, and then one can move over to the Mega to get around that problem, and then one can I think with a relatively high success rate reuse the shields the one has oneself made. with some of the commercial shields, then one might need to, yeah, one might not be so successful. So, but I mean, at least from a physical pin-out perspective, everything seems to work. But I do know that there's something strange with the, I'm going to be experimenting with that moving forward here. I'll make another video about it. There's something with the pin-outs for the SPI not being the same. You know, they moved them into a different location, different pins on the Mega. So okay, that was my sort of short input on this. So, you know, don't despair if you've built your own Uno shield prototype, and then you might be able to actually reuse it on a Mega. Okay, that's everything for now.